Minister, look at the way you are behaving. Even crown minister, can you imagine what you do in the common person? You can imagine.
Health Minister Honorable Kwabena Akandoh ni kokwa pache sa Honorable Buafuye wabro kopiem ewo Tamale Teaching Hospital ekakakrebi anko ne staff no to mamento pa anyasem kiswa aha let's talk GHU mo say first time apopita video me so say oba subscribe ama me no click on notification bell no so say the be latest updates bia o sabetimi aka no follow Facebook as let's talk GHU mo na TikTok so as let's talk GHU share wadwen ewo comment section wo edi amame Ebusia over the weekend e wo bi ekoso e wo Tamale Teaching Hospital and say akwaya arepusem ne nipa ya wo wu na busuafo ene social media ne so na nyasem keso akwa nsem a no mo kanyina ne say nurses negligence ene ma o mo de hie eto anananom e wo nse adu anache say akwaya asifim yie kofo bebre show mo experience a mo kire say o mo ko hospital a ekosisi enti eno kwa nam so e Tamale Teaching Hospital e the press statement buyer e kire enyema e ko support sia na kire say o mo pese o mo kire say entirely as o mo nhye da nye wrong biasa na eno ene beto wa say Kim ana Minister for Health eye Honorable Kwabena Akandoh said that be ontena say so oye panya ye yi ni say o medi di bread ye obekọ no wakohye ne ekoso e wo Tamale Teaching Hospital wa oko surprisingly without anybody's notice ene okodru ho de eniema ode nani ko hu ye hye ne bufuo yi ankasa na before say bekọ akohye video no yen kai ye ho kakra communicate aye Tamale Teaching Hospital e de babonten no eno na da wo screen ne so no ene omo nsema na omo kanyina ne se enipa ya wo wu ya ne din e de Salim yi entirely na enyo omo fault because one time na ye de ni bedru ho no na de kra omo hia so omo de be treat no kra na hospital ni bi number 2 omo ICU intensive care unit e wo ho about 4 of them ni nyina na ho aye ma a chese ba bia ye de ne beto kra no na ebi ni ho afei so no Oma to say social media so ghtrend this omo negligence ne ma boy nipa ni wu ye ensem bebre but enye sesa na tie na momu no oma fatim a omo hwehwem adekode potia e ma ewu ya we e ba ye no munya information bi ombegada e de abre general public ni to omo sre se obi an kana koma ento niem na abusua ne so ensheding omo wie na omo de ti udwa se eni omasema omo kanyina ne se de dani da omo serve Ghana yie no ombekos no ma serve omo nkofo yie de se na efata na communicate we ebaye no ehwa ape ana Minister Honorable Kwabena Akandoh ekopie mu ewo Tamale Teaching Hospital eni okodru ho no kasa ye bia nkoyie ama minister no nsem kayem no oche se na mekwa be minister mponi eni ordinary person bi bahadia edian na mode beye no
Minister, look at the way you are behaving. Even crown minister, can you imagine what you do in the common person? You can imagine how you do in the common person. And that's why then you do the first things here. That's what will create the problem. I mean, even with your superiors, look at how you are arguing. There's a problem. There's a problem here. So if a commoner comes here, can you imagine what you do? How can somebody talk to this man here? How will he deal with the student come here? How will he deal with it? There's a problem. You don't have the patience, look at the manners, and tolerated all these things. I mean, you don't do this. So what it means is that anybody who comes here will not have access to the washroom. That's what it means.
No, they will have to move to the one at Orange.
I'm saying that.
Yes,
but you told me that there's one here and there's a staff. Yes. The staff also have one. And that's why you brought me here to come and see.
Yes.
Is that not the point?
Yes.
Meanwhile, it's not accessible to the patients.
No, it's only accessible when the taps open. So that's the situation. So for a while now, water hasn't been flowing in there. And that's why I wanted you to see. You see that there are sachets. People enter there and they use sachet water and then just dump it there. And that's the situation.
At least, even if it is not being used, they can clean the place and lock it.
There's no water.
No, you can clean the place and lock.
There's no water to scrub the place.
You don't have water to do anything. You can make arrangement for the tankers, yes. the tankers to bring water, and so you don't have that arrangement. Dr. T, you are telling me that you can't have water for this place to run this facility?
Let me vouch for my boss a little bit. This is Dr. Valentine. He's the HOD of the emergency. And one night, we didn't have water at the emergency, and he himself got them to get the yellow barrels to come and bring water for the nurses to work. So, at our level, sometimes my HOD does his best.
Yes, Doc, I agree. And I'm the first person to admit that there are challenges with respect to water in Tamale. But that's why you're a leader here, that's why you're a CEO here. Not until we resolve the issue completely. I've been on the committee for a very long time, and we have always been talking about this. And we think, we know that you have a way of providing water for the facility until we solve the issue permanently. And that is what you have been briefing us. We know that the Tamale water challenge goes beyond the facility. It's well known in the country and all that. But you cannot tell me that, because if you're not very careful, people come here and pick the diseases from here and go home. That's what it is. And you know, you're a medical doctor.
Yes, sir.
So they will come here because there's no water. The person is sick. He comes here and picks the disease and he goes home with the disease because there's no water.
So we have the 2 tankers.
Good.
I think the last week, they went the whole day, they were allowed to 4 trips. That 4 trips alone cannot take care of the dialysis unit for a day. Because when you open one dialysis machine, like you open a tap. So the 4 tankers a day is not enough. So when the water can, we prioritize. We have the public toilet that we have for patients. So if this one is locked, then they'll use the public one. It's outside, it was built by GMPC. So maybe on the way we'll pass there. Only it's a bit far from here. But
I've come because of you, don't worry. Let's proceed. I'm setting up 3-member committee to look into the matter. Every life matters. Every life matters. So the committee will have 2 weeks to submit their report to determine the circumstances under which our brother Salim lost his life and how we can prevent the reoccurrence of such a situation. And so we have the Deputy Regional Director, Ghana Health Service, Northern Region, as part of the committee. We have, who is a medical doctor, of course, and then we have another lecturer, Dr. Abdul Rahim Mohammed, who is also a lecturer at UDS Medical School, and one private legal practitioner to look into the matter and report to me within 2 weeks.
Ebusia ene honorable Kwabena Mensah Akandoh okopiem e Tamale teaching hospital no chese de sie no washrooms na wo try chese fin ne nioma agye kwa aboso a wo kan omu ensem omu di yi oma no nyina ne say eyensuo problem as a health sector and as a health facility and then there was some moye because enipa ba ho beje ayarehwe nipa beba na efin e wo ho na chese yare na bi no mo se be fade akofia kan omo yare dada na omo de ba no what ya sentina chese e was say minister did a nice form say omunye hwehwemu adekodi a amasa de no e koso e wo hospital ho no no mumfa emre no yenya asem kiso ane no na Ghana fo ne kase yade e koso hospitals bebre nti ene minister wa adwuma ye pa because government hospitals ni bebre de ko room washrooms ni omo ward ni ade a wan hwe kwa wo yare ne yese de ko hospital kwa beda dem na wo because enya asem kiso akra nti Ghana yemfa ye nice form ni me yenim because ya pomude no eno enso ehu ehia yi pa me de mani edi ensem na chi any update before ba me de everbro me koso aka so follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrend masana TikTok so as let's talk ghtrend video we ama foforo abehye me din edina na eki asanto a makramo